Yeah, what they have given. They have given positive. But here also we have done, no? It's negative. Is there any difference in the question? Same it is. Exactly same. Okay.
Last part, na? Open, sorry. Correct. This is positive because it is required to stop. Required to stop. Here it is how much the car is traveled. This is speed of an automobile and the distance traveled after applying the brakes. So once you apply the brakes, the speed gets reduced. Correct. Means more is the speed. Correct. The distance what happens, it travels more. Na? Actually it should be positive, but they have given negative. Understood? Here, speed of automobile and required distance to stop the car. If more is the speed, more distance it will cover na, once you apply the brake. Therefore, it is negative. Same. Partial we don't have.
Good morning. How are you all? Whenever you meet first time, you should say good morning. First time in the day. I met you first time, not today. Since morning. So it's morning. For 5 minutes, I thought where I have gone. Can we start? Okay. So let's start. Put some packing now. I think the packing has moved. See, there, corner. Put that packing down the leg. Packing. It is, see, it is, see, there is a piece of paper. Put that down. Packing. Ha. Okay. So let's start. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Ratios, proportion, indices, and logarithm. Write the chapter name. Please write the chapter name. Done. Completed. Boys, girls, good morning. We are starting with a new chapter. Chapter name I know. I'm asking you stop talking. Okay. Today though we can sit na till 7 because from last 2 days Now it has become habituated, so we should increase na power. Yes or no? No. So let's start. Listen. First, see. First thing, what you can see here. How many parts are there? Four parts, correct? In all, how many parts? Four parts are there. Okay. So we don't know which questions will come from means which part there will be more questions or less questions, that we don't know. But overall now the chapter is easy. Understood? Overall the chapter is easy. It's simple as compared to uh, other chapters na, means maths other chapters, it is very easy. Okay. Write in bracket 5 to 8 marks. So you get a question from 5 to 8. 5 to 8 marks. Okay. So my question is, why we calculate ratios? Comparison. Why we calculate ratios? Some people now they are continuously talking. If you want, I will give you break. You go to your hostel and enjoy. I will also go. I will also take rest. Do you want? We have started the topic. Please concentrate. And it is maths. Okay. Already many people now after listening maths they do like this. They dance. They start shaking at their place. Okay. But the chapter is easy. So let's understand it. Or else I should say it, try to make it easy. Okay. So tell me why we calculate the ratios. Comparison purpose, correct? So ratio is used for, listen, ratio is used for what? For comparison. Now what happens, why we can compare, because ratios means what? You are taking relation between two variables. Means let's say I am taking ratio between two 5 kg or let's say 50 kgs and 60 kgs. Okay, there are two bags of rice. If I ask you what is the ratio? Okay, so we can say it is 5:6. Yes or no? Correct. So this is used for comparison. Understood? Will there be units or it will be units free? Or I can say same unit. What I will say? Same unit. Clear? What I will say? Same unit. Means to calculate the ratios. Okay, to calculate the ratios. Sorry, excuse. To calculate the ratios, I can only calculate the ratio if two things now have the same units. If something is in kgs, something is in liters, will I be able to calculate? Why I am saying there is one question where you need to understand this. Okay. Otherwise the question will go wrong. There's one question in the exercise. A person is earning for this many hours, this much. Another person is earning, like let's say someone earns 20 rupees in 7 hours. Understood? And someone is earning 50 rupees in 6 hours. They have asked you to calculate the ratio of the earnings. What you will do? 20 upon 7. It will not be 20 upon 50. Why? Because the units is not same. Correct? 120 is for, the 20 is for 7 hours. Correct? Now this is for 7 hours and this is for 6 hours. So you'll have to calculate per hour earnings and then you can take the ratio. So units needs to be same. Units needs to be same. Understood? So there will be one question on this. So same unit. What I said? Same unit. Everybody, is this point clear? Have you understood what I said? We will see in that sum. Or otherwise, simple thing now. Can 50 kg and 60 liter, can we cancel that? We can't. How? Therefore, what happens? If you are calculating the speed, what is the formula for the speed? Distance upon time. Understood? Speed is mentioned how? In what units? Meter per second or kilometer per hour? Kilometer per? Why? Because kilometer upon hour. You can't cancel this now. Yes or no? But to calculate the ratio, the units needs to be same. Next. Can I say ratio is nothing but it is in the lowest terms? Yes or no? Ratio is in? Lowest term. Anyone has a problem? Sure. Everybody knows what is lowest term? If I write here 50 by 60, what is the lowest term? 5 by 6. Can I cancel it further? No, so this is what? Lowest term. What it is? Lowest term. Easy na? Yes or no? Means I will write for our reference 50 by 60 is equals to 5 by 6. Yes or no? Correct? It is always in fraction. It is always in what? Fraction. Understood? Like fraction is what? A by B. Fraction is what? A by B. A is called what? Numerator. A is called? Antecedent. What? Antecedent. A-N-T-E-C-E-D-E-N-T. Antecedent. B is called consequent. Consequent. Understood? Is this clear? Okay. Copy this much. Everyone are making summary notes, na? Yes or no? Done? Multiplication or division. Listen, next point. Completed, na? No? Okay. Done? Listen. If you multiply or divide the numerator with and denominator the same number, Vigneshwar, who it was? And those who feel bad now when I call the name, some people have that, Arey sir called my name in the class. Sir, please don't call my name and all. Some people have that. Understood what I should call. I don't want to call it like that word in the class. I don't want to say it. Some people feel that. See, I don't say call your name purposely. I'm though because I have to entertain na 3 hours, 6 hours. I want someone na my customer. Understood? Don't mind it. Okay, I don't want to hurt anyone. Okay. And if you can't ask the doubts in the class, I don't know yesterday who texted me. Someone texted me, sir, don't tell in the classroom. I said after the class you come. I have no problem. And don't call my name that I've asked. I said okay, no problem. My purpose is my purpose is only to make you comfortable in maths and stats. That's it. Is that clear? If let's say for 6 hours I'm teaching, there is no joke, nothing. What will happen? Sleep, everyone will fall down. So that's the only motive. Okay. So I call Kaushik, I call Vigneshwar. These are my best people, okay, in my life. I never thought I will meet such good people in my life. Chalo. Let's proceed. So what I said, if you multiply and divide with the same number, okay, so the ratio does not change, right? Write with me. Multiplication and division. Multiplication and division by same number in the numerator and denominator keeps the ratio constant. Full stop. Do you want example on this? Sure? Okay, some people want example, so let us write. Example is what? Let's say it is 5 by 6. Understood? If I multiply 5 into 3, 6 into 3, ultimately it is what? 18 by, sorry, 15. Okay, no problem. 15 by 18 na? Someone is saying 16. 6 3s are 16. She. 15 by 18. Answer is what? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Ultimately the ratio is what? Constant na? Yes or no? I multiplied the numerator as well as denominator by the same number. So the ratio is same. Otherwise, same. Done? Copy. Order is important. Order is important. Why? 7 is to 8 is not equals to 8 is to 7. Correct? Order is important. Done? In A by B, if this is the ratio A by B, if A is greater than B, then we call it greater inequality. What? Greater inequality. Greater inequality. Okay. But if A is less than B, then we call lesser inequality. Lesser inequality. Means there is chance that they will directly ask you a question on this. Okay. If A by B, in A by B, if A is greater than B, then it is called greater inequality. Else it is called lesser inequality. Done? Completed. Done. One more thing. Listen. Very simple questions they ask, okay, in the exam. Fine. So, generally what happens, if let's say, uh, I'll give the heading types of ratios. What? Types of ratios. First one, inverse ratio. Please write inverse ratio. Inverse ratio. Inverse ratio. A by B is there. Then inverse is what? B by A. Correct? Everybody understood now? Denominator becomes numerator. Numerator becomes denominator. It is called what? Inverse. Note. A by B multiplied by B by A means product of the inverse is what? 1. You people know everything. Why I am here? Huh? Everybody is? Therefore I am going slow, na? I know your feelings. If you don't tell also I can understand. The product of the inverse is what? Don't take me other way. Okay, don't start laughing. Feeling means he's saying everyone is not at par, na? Some people will have more knowledge. Correct? Yesterday some people felt boring when we did the questions. Still we did, na? Why? Because past questions if you don't go through, how you will come to know how much comfortable we are in the paper? Next. Have you copied? If let's say there is two ratio A by B and C by D, then if you multiply na A into C upon B into D, this is called what? Compounded ratio. What it is called? Compounded ratio. Understood? Numerator multiplied by numerator. Denominator multiplied by denominator. Compounded ratio. Easy? अरे यार मनुष्य बड़ा विचित्र प्राणी है. She. A by B. I did not say she. I said she. If you do this, A square upon B square, then it is called duplicate ratio. What it is called? Duplicate ratio. Wow. It is called duplicate ratio. Easy, isn't it? If it is A by B, hey, are you with me, everyone? Yes, sir. Is there anything difficult? No, sir. It's easy. Root of A upon root of B is called subduplicate ratio. Wow. Is called subduplicate ratio. Means when you take the root of the numerator and denominator, it is called what? Subduplicate. If you square, it is called duplicate. Wow. We have special talents in our class. For my wow, they are doing cow. E. A by B. If you cube it na, A cube, B cube, it is called triplicate. It is called triplicate ratio. Are easy? Yes or no? Yes. Wow. Life is wow. Am I going fast? Sure. Cube root of A and cube root of B. Subtriplicate. Therefore, I call you genius. Subtriplicate ratio. Subtriplicate ratio. Wow. What happened? Done. So next. If, listen, there are three numbers A, B, C, and if they are in the ratio A is to B is to C, it is called continued ratio. What it is called? Continued ratio. Wow. This can, array easy. Have you understood till here? Any problem? Have you understood what is continued ratio? A is to B is to C means what? A by B is equals to B by C. Therefore, I can say B square is equals to AC or B is equals to under root AC. This means B is geometric mean of A and C. B is GM. GM means geometric mean. Have you done geometric mean? Which chapter? We have not done, no? Done. Which chapter? Central tendency. Navin sir. Maths. That was stats. You remember me? Don't forget me, huh? Chalo, done. Copy. Everybody understood now what I did? It's continued ratio. A is to B is to C. So A by B is equals to B by C. Therefore, if I cross multiply, B square is equals to AC. So B is equals to under root AC. So B is what? Geometric mean of A and C. Example. Continued ratio of, please understand, continued ratio of rupees 200, comma rupees 400 and rupees 600. 200, 400, 600. Okay. Continued ratio we want. Continued ratio. So what we will do? 200 is to 400 is to 600. So next 2 is to 4 is to 6. 1 is to 2 is to 3. Wow. Easy, isn't it? Sometimes they ask you joint ratio. What they ask? Joint ratio means normally it is given, you have to make it continuous. Okay. Listen carefully, don't talk, please. Listen, very important part. Write joint ratio. What you write? Joint ratio. Joint ratio means they give you A by B is equals to, let's say, 2 by 3. Okay, and B by C is equals to 4 by 5. Okay. Now I have to join them. What is the idea? B square is equals to AC. If it is in continued proportion, then B square is equals to AC. We have to make this continuous, joint. You have to join them. Someone will say take LCM and all. That is the right way, but I will teach you the easy way. Correct na? Make B common, that is what I am saying. No need to make. Okay, listen. What I will write, A is to B is to C. Means same thing I am doing, but in another way. What I have to do, A is to B is what? 2 is to 3. Again here write 3. Simple. You understood what I did? Again I copied the same number. Right? Here it is 4 na. 4 is to 4. Okay. Is to 5. You understood? Same number I have written. Correct? Now multiply this. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 0. 12. 5 3s are 15. Now cancel. Can you cancel this? Can you cancel? This is continuous form. Easy? Are idea you understood? Shortcut. Once more. Dance. Once more. 2 is to 3. So same 3 I will copy here. Why I took 3? 2 is to 3 na? Yes or no? Here I will write 4 is to 5. B is to C na? 4 is to 5. Same 3 I will copy here. Same 4 I will copy here. And then I will multiply this. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Done. Simple. Okay. I'll tell you one thing. Whenever I enter the class, my whole goal is whatever, how much means I am a teacher by passion. Okay. Understand this. I always try to means in my life there is a rule and you should also apply this. If you get 100 rupees now, you should give a service of 120. You understand that? Clear? So always my goal will be to make you comfortable with maths. All the tricks whatever I know and each and every chapter we will learn. Is that clear? So some people means some students have that habit, some mental blocks and all, that I'm not comfortable. No, means if anybody teaches now, there will be problem. See, teachers are how you know, they are like God. Someone believe in Ganpati, someone believe in Shiva, someone believe in Krishna. It is like that. But some students have that habit, they never get satisfied. Whoever teaches, it is not good for you. Okay, and believe me, 100% my whole thing will be that to make you comfortable with maths. Is that clear? I can teach you. Practice depends on you. Correct? You can never play blame game. Never. If you get a good rank also, first rank also, I will always say it's your life. You have done it. My contribution is 0. Or let's say 10%. But 90% is you. Correct now? The student now who has got all over India second SFM, CA final, it is not my efforts. It is his efforts. 10% I guided him. That is the only role of mine. Clear? So never you should have a mental block about the teachers. It is not good for you. Okay? Why I said this? Because some students they don't know these things. The more you blame and all you can never excel in life. Always you have to take a responsibility of your life. If you study, you will pass. Easy. If someone gets rank and if it is because of me, I am to teaching everyone now. So everyone should get rank. Isn't it? Simple. Why everyone does not get rank? Because it's your potential. Is this trick clear? If they ask you joint ratio, how to calculate, we know. Correct? Next. Let's go to the examples. Okay? Let's go to the examples. Okay. Let's go to the exercise. Yes. Joint ratio, that is continuous. Now it is continuous. Now A is to B is to C. 1 minute. If it is joint ratio, then B needs to be same, na? Here, is it same? If it is joint ratio, then B needs to be same. Yeah, joint ratio means to derive the joint ratio, what you have to do? In bracket you can write. Please write. Continuous ratio. Joint ratio or continuous ratio. You have to join it. So I have given the name joint. Clear? First one. See, the inverse ratio of, please tell, the inverse ratio of 11 is to, answer is what? Mark, 1 mark. 1 mark. Maths, they have made this new syllabus, means after COVID, they have made it very easy. Okay. Next. Please tell next. Two quantities are 3 is to 4. If the antecedent is 15, 3 by 4, antecedent is 15. Antecedent means numerator. If this is 15, okay, 15 means what they have done to the numerator? Multiplied by 5. If the numerator is multiplied by 5, denominator should also be multiplied by 5. So answer is what? 20. Option is what? Wow. Understood? Have you understood? Easy na? Next, ratio of 5 is to 7. If the consequent of its inverse ratio is 5, then the antecedent is 7. They are saying ratio is 5 by 7. And some people, they have habit of digging into the question. You remember in the previous session I said, in exam also if this question comes, they will think, how the question can be so easy. They will think it in left, right, center, every way. And they will mark the wrong answer and they will come. Understood? So don't do that. It's simple. Inverse ratio of this is what? 7 by 5. So consequent is 5. Consequent means denominator. So antecedent is what? 7. Option is C. Easy? There is nothing to write all these things. There is nothing to write. The compound ratio. Compound means what? Multiplication. Numerator with numerator. So 2 9s are 18 5s are. Arey calci. 18 5s are 90. 19 8s are 7. 20 is 2. See, where is 27 20? Not, nowhere. Okay. Or one thing, listen. 1 minute. Listen. Either some people, if you don't know the tables, why I am teaching this? Many people, they don't know the tables. So what you will do, one way to do is 7 is to 20, correct? Is to denominator multiply. 3 9s are, 3 4s are, 12 6s are, 72 10s are, 7 20. Answer is what? 1 is to. Other way around to do this is 2 by 3 into 9 by 4 into 5 by 6 into 8 by 10. If you see this, no, if you want this much table, to everyone knows, no, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, yes or no? This much I expect. If you have come till here, 2 tables should know, 2, 3, 4, yes or no? 3 ones are, 3 threes are, correct? 3 ones are, 3 twos are, correct? 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 5 twos are, 10, 10. Ultimately what? 1. One day what happened? One student was cancelling. 1 ones are, 1 ones are, 1 ones are, 1 ones are. Saying, sir, answer is not coming. Arey, 1 is also an answer. 1 is 2. This also happens. See how many type of students I have seen in my life. Understood? If let's say it is not getting cancelled out, let's say, see, listen. If in case, here to what happened? 720 is to 720, 1 is to 1, we understood. And numbers were simple, you can cancel, correct? If let's say it is some prime number or 16, 17, something, means the multiple is in that. The numbers are like this. 15 is to 17, okay, then 18 is to 21, something like this. Okay, now here it will be difficult, no? Here it will be. So directly what you do, simple. Multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Okay, whatever you get, take in decimal. Take in and check in the options where that decimal matches. You understood what I said? 18 into 17 is how much? 270. 18 into 15, sorry. 18 into 15 is how much? 270 upon 17 into 21? 350. Now cancellation becomes difficult now. Directly take decimal. How much is the decimal? 270. 7, 5, 6. Okay, then go and check. See, here also it will be fraction. So go and check. 1 divided by 1. No, this is not the answer. 1 divided by 5. Somewhere now you will get what? 0.756. You understood? You understood what I said? Yes, clear? Do you want me to come again? No, sir. One more time. What I said is, if the numbers now you multiply, like let's say here, you can't cancel it out, means there is difficulty in cancelling, then directly they have said compounding now, so multiply numerator with the numerator. 15 into 18 is how much? 270. 17 into 21 is how much? 357. You can't cancel it out, correct? You don't know the tables, right? So what you have to do, directly you can take the decimal and check in the option where the decimal matches. That is the only way, correct? Here still the numbers are, you can cancel out. 15, I think you can cancel out, yes or no? 15 by 17 into 18 by 21, I think you can cancel this out, yes or no? 3 5s are, 3 7s are, still easy. There can be numbers I am saying where cancelling will be difficult for you. Prime numbers and all, 19, 17, tables you should know, no? So if you don't know the tables, you can't do anything. Therefore, directly cancel it. Okay, directly take the answer in decimal. Next, duplicate of 3 is to 4, how much? 9 is to 16. Subduplicate ratio of, subduplicate means what? Square root. Square root. 5 is to 6. You understood what we are doing? Simple. 5 is to 6. D is the option. Correct now? Triplicate means what? Cube. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 is to 27. Understood? So answer is what? A. Simple. Subtriplicate means? Cube root. Cube root of 8 is? 2. Cube root of 27 is? 3. So answer is what? 2 is to 3. Option is C. Am I going fast? No, easy? Chapter is simple. At least this part though is very simple. Okay. The ratio compounded of 4 is to 9. Ratio compounded of, they are saying. Compounded means? Multiplying. Correct. Compounded of what? 4 is to 9 and duplicate of 3 is to 4. 1 minute. Let's go slow. Sorry. Duplicate of 3 is to 4. That means 4 by 9 compounded. Duplicate of 3 is to 4 means? 9 is to 16. Why I did this? Why I did this? Duplicate na. Duplicate means what I have to do? Square. So 3 square is 4 square is 9 ones are 9 ones are 4 ones are 4 fours are. Answer is what? Simple. Complete till here and wait for the next question. Next one also done. What is the answer? 2 is 2. Very good. Shall we do the next one? See, go slow. Go slow. Got the answer, anyone? Got? How many people have got the answer for the next one? 1, 2, 3. Therefore I said, wait. Listen. Compound of, now you have to understand their language. Compound of means what? Multiplication. Compound of what? 4 is to 9 means one number is 4 by 9. Correct. Duplicate of 3 is to 4. Duplicate of 3 is to 4 is what? 9 by 16. Okay, 9 by 16. Triplicate of 2 is to 3 means what? 8 by 27. And the last number is what? 9 by 7. Don't do anything to this. Compound all this. Compound means what? Multiply. You understood? You'll have to understand. See, listen. Compound of this, duplicate of this, triplicate of this, and this. Understood? So first number is 4 by 9. Second number I duplicated. Third number I triplicated. Correct? And last one as it is 9 by 7. Answer is what? 9 cancel, 9 cancel. 4 2s are 4 4s are 4 1s are 4 4s are. Correct? So 4 1s are 4 1s are. Next is what? 9 1s are 9, 3s are 27. This much calculation you are comfortable now? Cancellation, yes or no? Numerator what is left? 2, 7, 3s are 21. So option is what? 2 is to 21. C. Please write this. Do you want me to write it very neatly? Do you want me to? Huh? Last 9? Huh? Why no? Triplicate of and why it is given? Because compound of everything. Therefore I said understand their language. This is what. So I said solve. And in the class only 3 to 4 people got the answer. I said now don't think much. What is thinking? Triplicate of this. Read the full sentence. Compound of this, duplicate of this, triplicate of this and this. And why is given? You have to compound everything. Okay. This is language barrier. Huh? If you are not understanding this, you will have to understand their language, what they are saying. Shall we proceed to the next one? See here. The ratio of 4 is to 9, duplicate of, this is done na, 10th one, 11th one. The ratio compound of, listen understand, ratio compound of duplicate of 4 is to 5. Duplicate of 4 is to 5 is how much? 16 by 25. See, compound of, duplicate this, triplicate this, 1 is to 3, triplicate is how much? 1 by 9 or 27? 27. And subduplicate of 81 is to 256. Subduplicate means what? Square root. 81 square root is 9. 256 square root is 16. Subtriplicate means what? Cube root. 125 cube root is what? 5. 5112 cube root is what? 512 cube root? 8. And we have to compound all this. Is this easy? Are you understanding what they are saying? The ratio compound of, so do the duplicate, triplicate, subduplicate, subtriplicate and compound it means what? Multiply. Simple. Is it correct? 8 5 ones are 5 fives are 16 ones are 16 ones are 9 ones are 9 threes are done na? So numerator only 1 is left. 1 upon 5 threes are 15. 15 eights are, where is the option? None of this is the option. Check the answer. Anybody has a problem? Please let me know. Is this clear, guys, boys? Is this question clear? Sure? Understand that language. See, I'm on the board. Please understand what they are saying. Compound of. Compound, what you have to compound? Duplicate of this, triplicate of this, subduplicate of this and subtriplicate of this. Okay? Calculate that and then what? Multiply. Compound means what? Multiply. Duplicate of this is what? 16 by 25. 4 is to 5. Duplicate is what? 16 by 25. Triplicate is what? 1 is to 3. 1 by 27. So I multiplied. Subduplicate is what? Square root. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 256 is 16. Subtriplicate means what? Subtriplicate? Cube root. Cube root of 125 is what? 5. This much to cube root you can find, na? Cube root you can find or not? What is the idea to find cube root? Obviously it will not be in decimal. Some cubes we should know. Like if you can't find here 512, you should not use that long cut method. You should start solving like 6 into 6 into 6. Check 6 into 6 into 6 is how much? 216. But I want how much? 512. Correct. To take 7 into 7 into 7? 343. 8 into 8 into 8? 512. Like this you will have to check, no? You understood how to get the cube root. Like this numbers you will have to check. So 8 is the subtriplicate. You have to compound it, so multiply. Simple. Okay. Now what's happening in the class is some people are very fast, some people are very slow. Okay. So we will have to maintain that speed. Okay. So be with me. Those who are understanding also, please be with me. Those who are very fast, now it's good, but be with me. Because otherwise you will lose the thread. Whatever I say, an important point that you will miss. I am going into the next sum. Listen. 12th sum, na? 12th sum. See what is given. A is to B, means A by B, please concentrate, is equals to 3 is to 4. Right? Now you want the value of 2A plus 3B upon is to 3A plus 4B. Correct? Everybody here with me? Right? So how to solve this? Substitution is the best method. How to solve actually? I will say that A is equals to 3K. When I will get the ratio? When something is cancelled, no? Yes or no? That constant number is K. That constant number is K. When I will get this ratio? When I got this ratio, something was common, no? Let that common be K. So if 3 multiplied by that common number, I will get number A. Is this clear? If B will be how much? 4K. So 2 into 3K plus 3 into 4K upon 3 into 3K plus 4 into 4K. So correct na? Any mistake? Arey 1 minute now, let me complete. Therefore I said wait na, I also know. Understood? I just want to satisfy you how it can be done. Is that clear? Obviously we will substitute. That is the best method. Okay, see what happens when we do the long cut and then when we go to the shortcut, now we will be able to remember. So many shortcuts we will be doing now, you will not remember the shortcut only. That is a mind game. Understood? So please understand, 3 2s are 6K plus 12k upon 9k plus 16k. So numerator is what? 18k upon 25k. So kk will get cancelled. So the answer is what? 18 is to 25. Check. No, D is the option now. 0 point what? D is the option now. D is the option. Correct. This is the long cut. No need to do like this. What you have to do? Just substitute A with what? 3 and B with what? 4 here. Understood? 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. Anytime if you get this question, you have to do like this. 3 into 3. A value is what? 3 plus 4 into 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 18 upon 25. Done. Easy now. Will you do this? No. It's a long cut. This is shortcut for this. Okay, just substitute. You have not done this K method. K first method. Shortcut in exam thodi shortcut is applied. Plus 2 level MCQ where it is not there, there thodi shortcut will be applied. K method is there. You might have learnt it. You don't remember. Done. Completed. Next one. I am not showing the question. See in your book. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. 13th question. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. So ratio is given. If 4 is subtracted from each, they are in the ratio 3 is to 5. So can I say my numbers are 2k and 3k? Yes or no? So what they are saying, 2k minus 4 upon, see 4 is subtracted, go slow. Two numbers are in the ratio this. So to get that number, I will multiply the each ratio, numerator and denominator with k. K is what? Constant. So my numbers are what? 2k and 3k. Numbers are 2k and 3k. So what they are saying, if 4 is subtracted from each, they are in the ratio 3 by 5. They are in the ratio 3 by 5. If I subtract 4 now, the ratio is what? 3 by 5. Understood? You can either solve this equation. Easiest way is what? Reverse check. Let us solve this. 5 into 2k minus 4 is equals to 3 into 3k minus 4. 5 2s are 10k minus 20. 3 3s are 9k minus 12. Take k on each side. 9 will come this side minus. So what is left? K. 20 will go this side. Plus 20 minus 12. How much? 8. Understood? 8 is constant. 8 is what? What was my number? 2k and 3k. So 2k is equals to 2 into 8. How much? 16. And 3k means 3 into 8. How much? 24. Option is what? A is the option. Listen. You can solve it like this, or 1 minute. Later you can copy. 1 minute. What you should do is you should go to the question here. Check the option. If I subtract from 16 minus 4, how much it is? 12 upon 24 minus 4? 20. Why I am subtracting 4? Because they have said. Right now? So check whether you are getting 3 is to 5. 4 3s are, 4 5s are, 3 is to 5. Option is what? You understood what I did? Reverse calculation. Did not understand? Understood now? Correct now? Should I go slow? Is this clear? If you check here now, 4 minus 4, answer is what? Is it possible? Can you get 3 is to 5? No. 2 minus 4, is it possible? Minus 2. Okay. And last one is what? None. Is this clear? If you want, you can copy this. Go, here you can write, after copying this, you can write go option wise. Go option wise. 16, 24. 16 minus 4, 20 minus 4. 12 upon what? 20. So answer is what? 3 by 5. Therefore option is what? A. Maths majority questions, believe me friends, you have to substitute the answers. Majority questions. Done. Chalo, completed. What do you say? Mitittu, what? Have you completed? How you say? What? Mudu chacha. Ah, slowly I will learn. Na. I am a slow student. Average guy. Next. I did not tell you, na, I topped the university. Means I have boosted myself. Listen. 14th question. The angles of the triangle are in the ratio 2:7:11. Here also, if you want to solve, you can solve. The constant is k. So 2x plus 7x plus 11x should be equals to 180. You remember one subject was there, geometry. In that triangle was used to be like this. And we used to say that the sum of these three angles is how much? You know this? Here also same, na? In Mumbai it is like this. Same, na? So, people are thinking, what is saying? Array 2x means that common number or 2k plus 7k plus 11k. Always are you, whenever they give the ratio, to get the number, I am multiplying the ratio with what? K. So the total is how much? 180. Correct? 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 11, 20. 20k is equals to 180. 20k is equals to 180. So my k is how much? So 2 nines are 7 nines are 11 nines are. Option is what? She. Now 1 minute. Here also, guys, do you want me to solve it nicely? Do you want me to solve it nicely? Boys? Yes, let's start. Which is this question? 1, 4, 14. Sum of angles in triangle is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, 2k plus 7k plus 11k is equals to 180. 20k is equals to 180. Therefore, k is equals to 9. Therefore, 2k is equals to 2 into 9 is equals to what? 18 degree. Where is 18? Option C. Done. Is it there in any other option also? No. So C is the option. 7k is equals to 7 into 9, 63. 11 into 9, 11k is equals to 11 into 9 is equals to 99 degree. Simple. By observation also you can check. 11 is not there, no? Yes or no? By observation also you can check using the options. अरे यार शे मनुष्य बड़ा विचित्र प्राणी है, संसार मोह माया है. Done. Listen, by option also you can go. See, if you take the ratio, this is 2:7, but this is what? 9. So this is not the option, correct? This is 3:7:8. So this is not the option. If you calculate here na, 9 2s are, 9 7s are, 9 11s are, 2:7:11. Understood? If this also not matches, we always have this option. Understood? Easy. Chalo, shall we proceed? Simple question. Division of 324 between x and y in the ratio. 5th, 6th standard question. 11:7. How you divide? Those who don't know, for them, you have 324. I have to give 11 share to whom? X. I have to give 7 share to whom? Y. Total share is how much? 18. How you distribute? 324 into 11 upon 18. Check. 324 into 11 upon 18. 324 into 11 upon 18. Answer? 198. 324 into 7 upon 18. 126. Done. 126. Option? It's not there? Wow. None is also an answer. No problem. None of this. Check the answer back. Check the answer back, please. Correct? Easy, na? What's the problem? Oi. Not understood. Ye bhaiya. Are 11:7 is given, na? 11:7. So one should get 11, another one should get 7. So total is how much? 18. So how you divide? Whatever is the amount into 11 by 18 and into 7 by 18. Correct, no? Next. Shall we proceed? This is the question what I was talking about. See, Anand earns 80 in 7 hours and Pramod earns 90 in 12 hours. Directly now they are asking you the ratio of earnings. So remember, you can't take directly 80 by 90. Are you understanding? See, 8:9 is also given. If you do this, now it's wrong because the base is not same. Correct? Sir, you will say, sir, both are in hours, na? Unit wise or not, I am saying. Base wise means everyone should, both should have per hour basis. What both should have? Per hour basis. Are you understanding? So what we will do? How we will solve this? How much? 8 by 80 by 7. Now one more thing. 1 minute. Listen. People now, those who don't know, please listen. If I want to calculate, see, please help me with the question. 80 rupees he is earning, correct? Anand. Anand is earning 80 in how many hours? 7 hours. If I want per hour earning, what I should do? 80 by 7. Another one is who? Pramod. Pramod is earning 90 in how many hours? 12 hours. If per hour earning I want, what I should do? 90 divided by 12. I want the ratio, na? Now many people don't know this, so listen carefully. 80 by 7. Understood? Whenever those who are afraid of ratios and all the maths, for them, instead of writing it like this, na, 90 by 12, like this, I can write it 80 by 7 divided by 90 by 12. This much only slow I can go. Further I can't slow down. And this much level is expected from you people. Understood? You can't divide this. So what you will do? 80 by 7 into 12 by 90. This is called what? Multiplicative inverse. What it is called? Multiplicative. And you inverse the number. Inverse means numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Now it is easy, no? 0, 0 gets cancelled, right? Can you cancel further? 9? 3 4s are 3 3s are further no 4 8s are 32 7 3s are 21. Have you understood this? 3 is to 21. Option is what? A. Option is A. What a question. Wow, I am loving it. So simple it is. तथास्तु. बोलिए. Easy. Completed. अरे यार. 17th question. Easy. Shall we proceed? Have you copied? Great. Listen, next question. See, easy, one more time. The ratio of the two numbers is 7 is to 10. That means my numbers are what? 7k, 10k. That difference is 105. Can you find the difference? Yes. Are you understanding? Correct now? So my numbers are, when I multiply with k, I will get the numbers. Difference how I will get? Should I do 7k minus 10k or 10k minus 7k? Bigger number first now. So 10k minus 7k is how much? 105. So 3k is equals to 105. K is equals to 35. What are the number? 7 into 35, how much? 7 into 35. 245. Where is 245? She is the answer. When there is none, always check for the other one also. Into 35. Okay, answer is what? 350. Confirm. Answer is what? She. Easy now. Copy this first and then copy this. First table and then second table. Okay. I am going left to right to left today. Copy this part first, those who are copying. Then this part second. Why they are teaching us ratio? Why they are teaching us ratio? There is chapter CA final SFM currency. Not ratio analysis. Oh, that ratio is okay. That ratio is also there. CA inter FM. Correct. Ratio is there, but there though normally you have to cancel it out. But this calculation of cross multiply and all, currency chapter, top level. See the next question. This is application of that. What I am talking now. Chalo, done. Copied. See, listen. Here. PQR are three cities. The ratio of the average temperature between P and Q is 11 is to 12 and between P and R is 9 is to 8. They want us to calculate the ratio between Q and R. 1 minute. 1 minute. How we will go? 17th question no? 18th question. Okay, no problem. 18th question. 18th question. Please guys tell me. 18th question. The ratio what is given is between P and Q? 11 is to 12. And P by Q is, sorry, P by, what is given next? R. P by R. It is how much? 9 by 8. Listen carefully. Easy way. What we have to find? Q by R is equals to, put 2 dash like this and a multiplication. Understood? We have to multiply. Correct? What I want in the numerator? I will write here Q. What I want in the denominator? I will write R here. What is common? I will write P here, P here. Understood? I have written the Q here and I have written the R here. Common will be there, 100%. Understood? Is Q by P available? Check in the question. Is Q by P available? Yes, where it is available? It is P by Q. It is not Q by P. P by Q, Q by P. Order is important or not? Important. P by Q you know. So I will reciprocal this. I will what? Reciprocal. So Q by P is what? 12 by 11. P by R. Is it available? Yes. How much? 9 by 8. Simple. Is it difficult? You'll get answer. 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 3 9s are, 27, 22. Answer is what? Option B. Do you want me to explain one more time? The ratio what I want is Q by R. So I want Q by R. What I will do, I will put equals to dash into dash. Correct? What I want in the numerator? So I will write here Q. What I want in the denominator? I will write here R. What is common? P by P. Here if you check, I want Q by P. But what is given? P by Q. Can I write it? No, I'll have to reciprocal it. So 11 by 12. Q by P will be how much? 12 by 11. P by R. Is it available? Yes. Copy as it is. 9 by 8. Cancel it. You'll get the answer. Easy. Done. Simple. Joint ratio also you can do. But correct. Joint ratio also you can do. But then again, there will be problem. Means you'll have to... you can understand, Anita. I have many people here, na? You would have taken Q is to P is to R, na? R is to P is to Q. You are genius. And how you got Q is to R? Whatever you want, that you have taken. This is easy. Simple, na? So I'll give you one more example. Why they are teaching us this? Copied? 1 minute. Many currencies are not quoted, means across each other. Means what I mean to say, let's say HKD, Hong Kong dollar, okay, to let's say Mexican pesos. You might not have heard, because those are rare currencies, na? Let's take it easy. HKD to SGD, let's say Singapore dollar. Okay, so you want this. HKD to Singapore dollar relation is not given. It's not available in the market. But HKD to US dollar is available. Let's say 1.705. And I'm taking it in two way, means denominator also, because ratio is going on. Na? It's always, currencies are not written like this, but still 1.005, something like this is given. And they have also given dollar to SGD. It is how much? 1.4523 oblique 1.3626. Something randomly I have taken. Now what I have to solve? What I want? HKD to SGD. Correct? So I will take equals to dash multiply dash. In the numerator what I want? HKD. In the denominator what I want? SGD. What is common? So I'll put dollar, dollar. Yes or no? HKD dollar, HKD to dollar, is it available? Copy as it is. 1.705 divided by what? 1.005 into dollar to SGD, is it available? Yes, copy as it is. If it is not available, what will take? Inverse. Simple, na? 4523 upon 1.3626. Multiply the numerator with the denominator with the denominator. Write this example. Just for practice, currencies are not quoted like this. Just for practice I am giving. Done? Acha, okay. Answer I want, answer. Okay, copy. Later you can give me the answer. How much? Copy. अरे यार, Completed. What is the numerator answer? 2.47161. Okay, okay. Denominator 1.3694. Pakka na? You have multiplied this with this na? And you have multiplied this with this. Fine. Just for practice I gave. Currencies are not quoted like this. The base is always 1. Whatever it is. 1.8 she is saying, means after division. Done? Okay. Shall we proceed? Boys, copied? Copy fast. Use both your hands. What happened? That is 100%. He might not be talking about the question. That I am sure. Chalo, done? Shall we proceed? Listen, next question. X is to Y is given. Correct. What you will do? Substitute. I am not doing it. Okay. Homework. HW. Okay. Now this one, 20th. Here there is no shortcut. Here there is no shortcut. How to solve? How we will solve? Listen, P is to Q is given. Correct? Subduplicate of P minus X square is to Q minus X square. In maths what happens? Such lengthy questions come now. So same to same question they repeat. So answer is always by heart. Those who have practiced well. There is no shortcut for this now. How you will be able to calculate that what is the value of X square? You will have to solve it. Okay. So please help me. We have many great mathematicians here. Okay. So please help me. What is given? P is to Q is subduplicate of. Subduplicate means square root is subduplicate of P minus X square upon Q minus X square. And they want you to find what? Some people now, they immediately start writing. Whatever I write, they are so much, they love me, my handwriting and all. They start writing. Whatever he writes, I will write. So much they love me. ICI will never check your notebook. This is fact. Further step, what I should do? Next step. Cross multiply or square? If I cross multiply, gone. Understood? First I will square. Remove the square root sign. So P square upon Q square is equals to P minus X square upon Q minus X square. Now I can cross multiply. Understood? So if I cross multiply, P square into Q minus X square is equals to Q square minus, into P minus X square. So what I will get? P square Q minus P square X square is equals to PQ square minus Q square X square. Yes or no? Take the X square terms on one side, other terms on other side, means this terms on one side and the other terms on other side. P square Q, this will come this side, minus PQ square is equals to P square Q square, positive I am writing first, minus Q square X square. Easy? Understood? Next what? Take common. What is common? PQ is common. What is left? P minus Q is equals to, here what is common? X square. So what is left? P square minus Q square. When I take it that side, I can write it like this. X square is equals to PQ, P minus Q upon P square minus Q square. Stop here, check the option. No, it is not there, right? It is not there. Is it there? No. So what I can do? Identities. A square minus B square is what? Yes, P minus Q. Numerator as it is. A square minus Q square is P plus Q. P minus Q. Dish, dish, gone. What left? PQ upon P plus Q. What is your option? She. Wow. Understood? When you solve this now and exam, when you see this, instantly you will remember, array, the option is what? This. (2021) no option. There's no means there is no option means there is no shortcut to solve. There's no option to solve. You'll have to solve it fully. मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है. Should I scroll down? Ah. With maths, M for maths, M for music. You people use mobiles in the classroom while teachers teaching? Insta and all? Ah? Ah, it is bad habit. I didn't knew that. Done? Completed? Next question. 21. Chalo, shall we proceed? Next question. 2s is to 3t. 2s is to 3t is duplicate of. Duplicate means what? Square. 2s minus p the whole square upon 3t minus p the whole square. Now what? You will not take square root. Formula. A minus b the whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So please help. 2s upon 3t is equals to a square means 2s square. 2s square is what? 4s square. I'll write plus b square. Plus b square is p square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. A minus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A is what? 2s. B is what? P. Okay, 2s the whole square is what? 4s square. P square is what? P square. Minus 2 into 2s into P. is what? 4sp upon. I was checking. Minus. Very good. So 3t square is 9t square plus p square. Okay, minus 3 2s are 6. 6pt. Understood? P square cancel, p square cancel. Can't? Because it is plus plus, therefore we can't do. It's a single term. Those who think like this, no, this cancel, then means people will cancel this also. Is it possible? Not possible, my dear friends. Listen. Now what I will have to do? Cross multiply. Now what I'll have to do? Cross multiply. 2s into 9t square, okay, plus p square minus 6pt is equals to 3t into 4s square plus p square minus 4sp. Open the bracket. 9 2s are 18st square plus 2p square s minus 6 2s are 12. So 6 2s are 12. 12 PST. I am going in alphabetic order. Okay. 4 3s are 12 s square t plus 3p square t. 4 3s are 12 minus 12 s PST. Yes or no? PST. So can you see PST same? Here 12 PST, sign is also same. Sign should be same. Then only you can cancel. Is this clear? Now what I will do? I will take p square on single side. P square. Can you see p square? Here also p square is there. Here also p square is there. Right now? Understood? Right. Here see st square s square t. Right now? Okay. What I want in the exam, they have said, they have given you terms in terms of p square, p, 2p, like that. All in p terms. All in. So I will take p on one side. Are you understanding? So if I take p on one side, so 18 st square, okay, minus 12 s square t is equals to 3p square t minus 2p square s. Understood? So can I minus? No. What I can do? I can take common. What is common? St is common and 6 is also common. 6st. 6st. Here common is what? 18 and 12. Common is what? 6. S is 1 common. Correct? Smallest power is 1. For t the smallest power is t. 1. So s and t. What is remaining? 6 3s are 18. S has already gone. 3t minus 6 2s are 12. S 1s is gone. S 2s. 3t minus 2s. 3t minus 2s. Is it correct? Or is there any mistake? Sure? I think so. Yes. Huh? No. I think there is some mistake. Let's see. I don't know. So, okay. P square will be common. 3t minus 2s. Oh, you people are genius. P square and this will get cancelled. So, P square is equals to what? 6st. And option is what? A. Wow. Okay. Copy. Okay. If you get this type of sum, what you should do? Donate. Duplicate? Acha, duplicate ratio, therefore p square. She is saying because it is duplicate, therefore it is what? P square. But none is also there, na? If I change the right side, then if I give p square is equals to 9st, then if in the option I give you p square is equals to 9st, then you will do full step. Full step you will have to do. Otherwise you will have to remember the answer. There is no option for this, okay? And this much maths we should know. Correct, no? If it's a maths paper, this much maths is, everything can't be Shortcut na everywhere. We will have to make a new book for shortcut then. To remember shortcut, there should be one more shortcut you will have to prepare. How to solve the question. Should I scroll down? Till second step? This is second step. Should I scroll down? In 6 steps you are getting the answer. Okay, therefore on right hand side you have 6. I, according to your thought, I. She will pass. Completed? Done? Next sum? Don't waste time. Come on. Let's proceed to the next sum. Easy. Which question it is? 22. P is to Q is given. X is to Y is given. They are asking you the value. What you will do? Come on, substitute. Get the answer. 17 is to? Please check. They are saying 17 is to 28. Please check. Completed? 22nd? 5 into 2 into x. X is how much? 4. Plus 3 into q value is what? 3. Y value is 5. This is in the numerator. Upon ratio. 10 into p is 2. X is 4. Plus 4 into 3 into 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 upon 10 2s are 20, 24s are 80 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 40, 85 upon 140, correct? Do you know 5 table? 5 1s are 3s are 5 7s are 5 2s are 10, 4 5 8s are 17 by 28. Wow. Option is what? She. Don't make weird noise. People will think something different. Understood? Who was it, Vigneshwar? Who made noise? Gautam will not make. Gautam, I trust Gautam. Gautam is not such a boy. Are means he's a good boy, I said. What happened? It also has some other meaning. Uh, I will become corrupt if I stay with you for another 1 month. Chalo. Listen, done. The number when subtracted from each of the term, okay, in the ratio 19 is to 31, reducing it to 1 is to 4. So what number should be subtracted from 19 is to 31 that you get 1 is to 4? So what you should do, first option is what? 15. 19 minus 15 is 4. 31 minus 15 is 16. Answer is what? 1 is to 4. So option is what? A. You understood what I did? From 19 I should subtract what? So choose the option 15. Okay. 19 minus 15 is how much? 4. 31 minus 15 is how much? 16. Ultimately what is the ratio? 1 is to 4. Option is what? A. Understood? Otherwise what? You'll have to make a equation. How we will make a equation? 19 minus x upon 31 minus x is equals to 1 by 4. Cross multiply, calculate the value of x. Understood? Simple, no? Arey yaar, sheh. Are you understanding, guys? Okay. Done? 1 minute. Important. This was there in MTP. This time's MTP, this was there. Last time what the mock test paper they gave na, in that this was there. Daily earnings of 2%, listen carefully. Daily earnings of 2% are in the ratio 4 is to 5 and their expense are in the ratio 7 is to 9. If they save how much? 50 each day, their daily earnings is what they are asking? Daily earnings. 1 minute. First of all, see, please understand. From income, this is earnings ratio, no? If I minus the savings, what I will get? Expense. Clear? Their daily earnings they are asking. What they are asking? Daily earnings. Logically you can solve. No need to solve also. We will solve this, but no need to solve. 1 minute. My savings is how much? So 50. You think if my earnings is 40, can I save 50? That means first option gone. Right now, from 50, if I save 50, correct? Okay, then my earnings will be what? If my earnings is 50 and if I save 50, how much is left? 0. Right now? Correct? So, the easiest way is what means this is how you can opt out. But because none is given, so if my earnings is 400, out of that if I save 50 and from 500, if I save 50, I need to check what is the ratio. 350 upon 450. Can I say what is the ratio ultimately? 7 by 9. From income, when I minus the savings, what I get? From income, if I minus the savings, what I get? Expense. So this is the ratio of the expense. The answer is what? See, 7 is to 9 is the expense ratio. True or false? Is this clear? Understood how to solve? Easy. Same question was there in MTP. Do you want me to explain one more time? From my income, if I minus the savings, what I get? Expense. If you check here, 40 is my income. Can I save 50? No. So this is not the answer. From 50, if I save 50, understood? Will there be any expense? No. So this is also not the answer because there is expense. Expense, the ratio is what? 7 is to 9. 100% the option is what? C. Yes or no? And cross verify. 400 income minus savings, you should get expense. Check the expense ratio because it is given. Simple, no? Understood now? Or if anyone wants to make an equation, you can make the equation also. Do you want to see? No? Arey, that is also easy now. I have taught you the shortcut for that. 1 minute. 1 minute. One more logical. What is the income ratio? They are looking at time. Those who are looking at time now, he is also looking at time. Remember. Income ratio is what? 4:5. Expense ratio is what? 7:9. Can I take it like this? 4x and here income 5x and here 7x and 9x? No, I can't. No, I can't. It is the ratio is different. So you can't take x both the side. Here you'll have to take what? This I knew you will say x. And people want to go home. So 4x minus 7y is equals to what? 50. Y income minus saving. Expense is what? Savings. Savings is how much? 5x minus 9y is equals to how much? 50. You don't know shortcut to solve this? Let's try. First step what? 7 into 50 minus 350. Correct no? Minus in the formula. Minus 9 5s are 45. 450. Answer is how much? 100. Understood? Here 7 5s are 35 minus 35 minus 4 9s are minus 36 minus plus answer is what? 1. Next step is what? X is equals to ratio of this. 100 by 1 is what? 100. Understood? Once you know this, 4 into 100 is what? 5 into 100 is what? 500. Done na? How much time it will take? If you make an equation also. Correct no? Yes. What? Scroll up. Copy. No problem. Take your own time. Don't worry. I need to only go to hotel. And anyways, I need to take rest. So if you say that, sir, take till 8 o'clock, I am ready. You'll not say. Are 8 not in the morning. Now, night I am saying. Okay? We all are warriors. Yes or no? Yes. Hey. Don't say no. You remember concept of Tatastu? We all are great people. Vigneshwar. Tell me also. I will also laugh, na? Laughing like terrorist. Once you get 100, then 4 into 100, income is how much? 400. Same way, 5 into 100, income is 500. By this crisscross method, now you will always get the answer for X. You will never get answer for Y. Understood? Easy? Next. This was the last sum or one more is there? One more, my favorite question, and let's go. Wow, I'm genius. The ratio between the speed of the two trains is 7:8. Guys, concentrate. People have packed their bag and they are ready to run from here. Come boys. The ratio between the speed of the two trains is 7:8. If the second train runs 400 kilometers in 5 hours, correct? Correct now? The speed of the first train. Understood? Second train now it is running how much? 400 kilometers. In how many hours? 5 hours. So can I say speed of the second train? Speed of the second train is how much? 88. Speed of second train is equals to 400 upon distance upon time. Those who don't know, those who have forgotten for them. Speed is equals to distance upon time. 400 divided by 5 is how much? 80 kilometer per hour. Yes or no? So if let's say, see, 7 is to 8 is given, na? 7 is to 8. 7 is to 8 is what? Speed of the first train. This is speed of the second train. Second train speed I know. Can I calculate x? Yes. 7. Wow, you people are so genius. 70. Option is what? She. 90. Where is 90? Thank you. Thank you. I am always thankful. No. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow. Ratios done. Tomorrow we'll start with proportion. One minute. Say. That is because I have taken the example. If they are in proportion, then it will be. When we'll do proportion, at that time everything will be proportionate. Here I have just taken an example from the book what they have given. Means I am saying that continued ratio, na? Means A is to this example, na?